Hello, today we are going to create a drawing of a reindeer and it will have a red nose, just like Rudolph. So I'm going to draw it on the chalkboard and I want you to follow along. So you'll just need right now a pencil and a piece of paper. Step number one is the drawing of the head. So we want to draw the outline. It's not a perfect circle. We want to make it look like an oval. And an oval is basically just an elongated circle. Step number two will be the eyes. And the eyes are just two circles on the head. The next step is the inside of the eye. And again, it's just two more smaller circles. So we have one. The next step is the nose. And the nose is kind of like an oval. Again, it's just going to go in the opposite direction. Now it's time for the scarf, and the scarf looks just like this. It's over here in the green and the yellow. To make that, first I need to make a neck. Two small lines coming off of the bottom of the face. Go ahead and connect those two lines. Okay. I want you to make a C shape over here. And then a backward C on the other side, and then simply connect the two. Okay. Now you can decorate your scarf however you want. I just made stripes, just simple stripes to put on it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But when it comes time to decorating your scarf, you can use any types of lines that you want. Next, I want to make it look like the scarf is kind of flying in the air. So I'm going to do the bottom of the scarf going in an upward angle. Okay, make one line from that part. Put a second line. Connect the two. And then I'm just going to make little lines coming off of it. Just like here I have stripes on this part, I'm also going to make stripes on the other part. Okay, so now I have the face of my reindeer and I have the scarf. The next thing I'm going to draw will be the antlers. To do that, I will put one line going up and then a second line going up. And notice I didn't make them just straight up, I kind of angled them a little bit. After that, I want to make my lines coming off of there. So I'll make 3 lines. I think that looks good. And then I'll put one here and I'll put one here. We are going to make it look like there's an ornament hanging off of that antler. So we want to make one going in a straight line, straight horizontal line, which means it goes side to side. Make one just like that. That way I can make it look like it's hanging off of it. Here's the string of my ornament. Then I'm going to make a rainbow shape or an upside down U right at the bottom of that line. The next step is a square shape. So notice that I have the line, I have my upside down U, and then I have my square. Now is the shape of the ornament itself. And all I have to do is connect the bottom parts of that square right there. So I'll just take my hand and go around and connect it to the other side. You can decorate the ornament however you want. If you want to simply make lines, you can, or if you'd like to write your name on it, it's completely up to you. Just to make it easier, I'm just going to put some lines across it. Okay? Once you've drawn the ornament, you are finished and it's time to color. You can use whatever colors you want, and you can use whatever you want to color it. Crayons, colored pencils, markers, or even paint. So I hope you had fun, and we will draw along together again soon.